Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into your Google account and confirming AI access. This ensures personalized, private results. Once done, open Google Search and tap the AI icon or enter a focused query to trigger the model. You should state intent up front, ask for a summary, detailed steps, or creative ideas, because AI tailors output to your goal. Make sure to pick concise keywords and include context like dates or constraints so the assistant returns relevant, actionable responses right away. You now shape the middle of the process by crafting targeted prompts. State your goal, constraints, and one example to guide the AI. Then iterate, ask clarifying follow-ups, request summaries, or demand step-by-step plans until the answer fits. Make use of search operators and time filters to narrow results, and ask the AI to compare options or list pros and cons. This back and forth sharpens accuracy and surfaces practical choices, so you end up with verified steps rather than vague suggestions. You complete the task by converting AI output into a clear action list and verifying key facts before you act. Once done, copy or export steps, set deadlines, and assign tasks if needed. If responses contradict or seem off, ask the model for sources and corroborate with additional queries or reputable sites. For stubborn issues, clear cache, rephrase prompts to be more specific, or toggle filters and time ranges. These quick fixes usually resolve relevance or freshness problems and restore.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.